Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the importance of ultrasound in the diagnosis of diseases organized by organ systems and medical specialties. Ultrasound is one of the most widely used imaging tools in modern medicine. It is safe, non-invasive, cost-effective, and does not use ionizing radiation. Because of this, it plays a vital role in diagnosing and managing a wide variety of conditions. Let's explore how ultrasound is used across different medical fields. In anesthesiology, ultrasound is used to guide needle placement when administering local anesthetic near nerves. It also helps with central venous cannulation and difficult arterial cannulation. Using real-time imaging improves accuracy and reduces complications. Ultrasound helps diagnose arterial and venous diseases. With Doppler ultrasound, doctors can detect blood clots, identify vessel narrowing, and assess blood flow abnormalities. It is safe and highly effective for vascular assessment. Echocardiography or cardiac ultrasound is essential in cardiology. It helps evaluate heart valve function, stenosis or insufficiency, strength of heart muscle contraction, and chamber enlargement such as ventricular hypertrophy or atrial dilatation. It provides real-time images of the beating heart. In emergency settings, ultrasound can be life-saving. It helps differentiate cardiac causes of acute breathlessness and pulmonary causes of breathlessness. The FAST exam, or the focus assessment with sonography for trauma, is used to detect internal abdominal bleeding and pericardial tamponade after trauma. It allows rapid bedside diagnosis in critical patients. Ultrasound is used to assess solid abdominal organs including liver, gallbladder, bile ducts, pancreas, kidneys, spleen, aorta, and inferior vena cava. It helps detect tumors, gallstones, organ enlargement, and fluid collections. In gynecologic sonography, it is used to examine the uterus, ovaries, fallopian tubes, bladder, adnexa, and pouch of Douglas. It helps diagnose fibroids, ovarian cysts, pelvic masses, and ectopic pregnancy. In obstetric sonography, it is used to determine gestational age, confirm fetal viability, placental location, detect multiple pregnancy, identify major abnormalities, monitor fetal growth, assess fetal heartbeat and movement, and also to determine the fetal gender. It is very essential in prenatal care. Doppler ultrasound measures blood velocity in vessels such as the middle cerebral artery and then the descending aorta. It is portable, low risk, and used in both adults and children to assess circulation problems. High-frequency ultrasound visualizes the thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, lymph nodes, and the salivary glands. It helps diagnose nodules, inflammation, and tumors with excellent anatomical detail. In newborns, transcranial Doppler ultrasound assesses intracerebral hemorrhage, structural abnormalities, ventriculomegaly, hydrocephalus, anoxic brain injury, and periventricular leukomalacia. It is safe and ideal for fragile neonates. It is also useful in ophthalmology. In A-scan ultrasound, it measures the length of the eye, helps calculate intraocular lens power after cataract surgery, and assists in managing refractive disorders. While in B-scan ultrasound, it produces cross-sectional images of the eye and the orbit. It is useful when vision is obscured by cataract, corneal opacity, and vitreous hemorrhage. In summary, ultrasound is a powerful, versatile, and essential diagnostic tool across nearly every medical specialty. Its advantages include safety, no radiation, portability, cost-effectiveness, and real-time imaging. That's why ultrasound remains one of the most important imaging modalities in modern medicine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have questions or topics you'd like me to cover in my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!